Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to design a flex 4x2 using CorelDRAW. The sample of the flex I'm talking about is this one here. Okay, I just want to use this to show you how you can design a flex and how to measure the height and the weight using CorelDRAW. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now by hitting on the subscribe button below. Then turn on the notification icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to set the size. Like if you check here very well, say that this is not a 4x2 size, but this is the size. This is the one I designed already, so I'm going to show you how you can get exactly this size. Okay, so to do that, here that says letter of your paper type or paper size, you don't need to go here because there is no 4x2 here. So what you're going to do is to enter to here as the width, and this one is the height. You enter for, then press enter. Alright, so you get exactly the size. Alright, so the next you're going to do is to make this page to be active by clicking on your rectangle tool or F6. F6 is the shortcut key. Now double click. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to add a background color here. I'll use this color. Alright, use this color here. Okay, so the next thing I will do is to use my rectangle tool and draw. Okay, then I'll go to my effect or clip it inside here. I want to get this shape, this curved shape here. So I will go to my effects, see for a clip, then click it, click here. Then I will do what? Right click, edit contents. Alright, so I will expand this. Alright, then I will right click to convert it to curve. Then go to my shape tool here, okay, and click here, then curve. So I'll drag it up, curve, then drop my tool. Right, now use black. I'll remove the outline to none. If I click finish editing objects, you see here. So the next thing I will do is to right click again to get this green background. Okay, so I'll use my rectangle tool again and draw. I use my green color, add it there. Then I'll remove the outline to none. Okay, then I'll click finish editing objects. Okay, I've gotten this background right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get this text, this curve text. So I'll also go to my edit content. Okay, I'll use my text tool by clicking here or press F8 on my keyboard. Then I'll type with specialize on. Okay, so to get this text up here, I will go to text, then go to free text path, then bring it here, change the color to white, reduce the font size. Let me see 10. I'll use 12. Okay, I can use let me see 14. Let me see how 14 is. Good, I'll use that one and I will change the font to impact. impact, then I'll leave the font to 11 or 12. Good. If you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your questions. Right? So I'll use this. I use this and get this arrow. Then I'll use this one. Alright. So I'll weld it together by doing here. When I highlight them, I highlight these two objects, then I'll click weld. Alright. So I'll give it a yellow background. Then I will rotate it. Okay. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, go there below. You see the red button. Click on it, then turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. Alright? Okay. So I'll increase it like this. Alright? So let me see how it is on the outward look. Okay? So another thing I'm going to do now is to get these shapes here, this one. So what I'll do is also go to my edit content. Then I'll use my rectangle tool and draw. And draw like this. Okay, then click on my shape tool. Then bring it like this. Alright? Expand it a bit. Okay? Then I'll use black as a color. Okay, then use white background. Increase the outline. Let me see too. Good. So I will duplicate this. You can do copy and paste by pressing Ctrl C, copy, then Ctrl V to paste. But this is how I used to do my own. When I drag, I right click before I leave. Alright? So I can also do it like this. You drag, okay? Then you right click before you leave. That is how I used to do my own. Right? So I'll not change the color. Let me see this one, then this one. Right? Good. I'll now add another background here. I'm gonna make use of this background. So I'll also add another background here. Okay. Yes. So I will increase the outline to then outline color white. So let's see how it is on the outward look. I'll click finish editing objects. Alright. This is it. So the next thing I will do is to add text here. I'll use my text tool to type digital calendar. Alright. I'll change the font family to impact. I like this impact too much. I don't know why, but I like it. Yes, I like the impact. So I'll bring the text here. Choose white as the color. Right? Then I can use 9 as a font size. Use it. Okay. Then I can do it the same way. Drag, right click before you leave. Then edit it by pressing F8 on your keyboard. Alright? I can say okay, digital flash. Alright. Okay. Like I said, it's not compulsory that you must do the same way I'm doing my own, but I just want you to get the idea of how this thing works. Okay? Just want you to get the idea of how these things work. So it's not compulsory that you must design exactly the way I'm doing mine. No, that is not the reason why I'm doing this video. The reason why I'm doing this video is for you to get the idea of how it works. Alright? ID card. Okay. Then I'll drag, right click before I leave. Edit, posters. Alright. The next thing is birthday card. So I'll drag, right click before I leave. Edit. Okay. Okay. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now by hitting on the subscribe button below. Then turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. Alright? So I'll also drag and right click before I leave. Then edit. Okay. Wedding page. Alright. I want to create focus. I think before we leave, edit. Place. Alright. So the next thing I'll do is to type this one here. This one that says we also offer, right? This one here. I'll use my text tool and type. Okay. Then bring it here. Reduce the size. Then change the fonts. Change the color of the font to white. Alright? Then it's now remaining this one. So I'll use my text again to type web design services. Web design services. Alright? So I will also reduce the font size, okay, and change the font to impacts. I like these impacts. I like the fonts. Then change the color of the page to white. Okay. So okay, remaining the title is Magical Creative. So I'll use my face and type lab digital creative. Alright? So I'll also choose impact as my fourth family. Alright? So I will do it like this. Okay? Like then add white as the color, then use yellow as the outline color. Alright? So the next thing I'll do now is to type this one here. Book of quality designs. So I'll also do what? Type it right now. Alright? So I will type it table of home of quality designs. Alright? So I will change the font to this one. Then use yellow as a color. Then bring it here. Alright? I can read the size again. 7. Alright, then I'll add yellow as the outline color. Then remaining this logo. So I'll do what? Import my logo by clicking here, or you can use Ctrl I on your keyboard to get your logo. Select from the system. This is my logo. So I'll drag it and put it here. Reduce it and put it here. Okay. How is it? So guys, this is how you can design a flex 4x2 flex using Corel draw. Okay, so guys, this is the flex. Like I said, that it's not compulsory that you must design the way I designed my own, but I just want you to get the idea of how it works. If you like this video, go to the comment section and comment I love this video. And if you have any question, go to the comment section also and ask your questions. I'll be there answering your questions. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel right now by hitting on the subscribe button below, then turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.